Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. Here we have NASCAR Authentics from the 2019 Wave 5 of the 187 NASCAR Diecasts. We have Daniel Suarez and Aric Almirola's Tony Stewart's Championship Cars Throwback cars. On the back are Daniel Suarez and Aric Almirola's name, number font, and the team Stewart-Haas Racing. Let's get both of them out of the box. Here are both them. Oh, whoops. So first one is Daniel Suarez. He has Haas. The sign is Home Depot. Looks like Home Depot. Now Daniel Suarez's car throwback is to Tony Stewart's 2005 championship winning car, which was his second championship. Now here's the Haas front. Kind of looks like the Home Depot fonts as well. The regular Haas sign, which is black. Obviously, this car is black and orange, obviously. Yeah, like the Home Depot colors. That's why. All right, let's move on to Aric Almirola. So Aric Almirola has the normal Smithfield font. Smithfield on the side, the black Smithfield. Orange, black, and white as well. So this is to represent Tony Stewart's first championship car, which is his 2002 version, where he beat Mark Martin. So let's give it a 360 view. Yeah, so both of these cars were raced in 2019 to represent Tony Stewart. First and second championship. Clint Bowyer has his third, but we don't have him. Let's take a look at the 360 view. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.